Hello everyone, it's Ivy from NSE LED. Welcome to our studio. The Smart Digital LED Poster is a highly integrated portable LED display product, specifically developed for indoor HD display application. The digital LED poster with different installations, like 90-degree stand, wall-mounted, and hanging installation. And the digital LED poster is equipped with wheels. The weight of one digital LED poster is 35 kg, which can be easily moved by one person, and can help customers to save labor cost. So many of our customers use the digital LED poster for event application. Next, I will show you the different effects of the digital LED poster for different applications. First, the smart digital LED display is widely used for event stage, concert, and drama. Motion graphics displayed on the LED video will add a dynamic element that impacts the audience. And all digital LED posters support connect with the video processor to get a live broadcast function. Second, except for large events like event stage, concert, and drama, the digital LED poster can also use for wedding and annual meetings. Third, the LED screen display is also very suitable for use in press conference. The customer can play detailed information and videos on the screen, which can help the customer to understand the product intuitively. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to leave comments if you have any more questions.